Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store. So guys, when you want to open your App Store on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data, and guys after doing this, simply you need to scroll it down. And guys from here you need to click on general, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with VPN or not. So guys, if you have connected, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. Maybe there is network problem, so guys click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings from here. And after this you need to check for update for your iPhone. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys you need to scroll it down. Click on App Store here and scroll it down. Here is the option of last option, that is personalized recommendations. Simply you need to click on this tab. And guys after this, here is the option of clear app user data. You need to clear all the data, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone and sign in again after a few minutes. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.